At Shea, we've always been involved in iconic projects. Shea built the footings and the abutments for the Golden Gate Bridge. I remember talking to my dad and uncles about the weight of that responsibility and about the pride of the accomplishment. We take that same care into our home building operations as well. My family invites you as our guest to visit our latest iconic venture, Shea Signature in Azure.
A site like this only comes along really once in a lifetime. The property had been vacant literally forever. So for us, we were excited about doing something special here. I'm Don Murphy, and I'm the president of Shea Homes in Arizona. I had the opportunity to be the lead visionary, if you will, on Azure, and really think outside of our normal boundaries of what we could achieve here. Azure is located in the shadows of Camelback and Mummy Mountains. It's right where Scottsdale and Paradise Valley intersect. What makes this location so unique is here you are in the middle of all this scenic beauty, and yet right across Scottsdale Road, you have coffee shops, juice bars, fine dining, casual restaurants, clothing boutiques, yoga studios, spin studios, lots of lifestyle elements.
It's something that a lot of big custom homes don't have. They're in remote locations, they're on tons of land. And really when you look at the chemistry between our location, livability of the home, and most importantly, walkability, it's just a dynamic location and we're proud to be here.
What element that we wanted to achieve architecturally is that feeling when you're at a five-star resort, both iconic and stunning visually, but also very comfortable and relaxed. We find a lot of our buyers are really interested in simplifying their lives a little bit, but they don't want the compromises that smaller homes often bring into play.
And it's really how do you provide that level of luxury in a more simplistic space. It's the melding of those two that really, I think, creates great architecture and great livability for the home itself. We had a lot of latitude to really build something special, to craft a community and architecture and livability unlike any community that we've ever done.
Shea has done a lot of iconic things throughout the years, and it's really about assembling the right team. So it starts with bringing in the right architects and ensuring you have the right design, but it goes all the way down to having the right tradesmen online. Those folks have to be able to put the finishes in place to make it feel like a curated, quality home. Because you're never going to have all the expertise yourself. It's really all about bringing the team together who can achieve it. A trombo wall in days gone by had a real practical purpose. It was intended to keep the heat in during the winter and the heat out during the summer. And you'll see that the trombo wall is a unifying design element throughout the architectural series. A lot of these rooms open up to the outdoor environment very naturally, and one flows indoor-outdoor and is really a seamless transition that makes the homes live nicely. You'll see that we have these real iconic stair towers that get light downstairs into the lower levels. We wanted to have these extended light wells and to get this great shadow play across the architecture. A lot of folks are looking for less maintenance, but they also want the homes to flex up and accommodate extended families and guests when they come in for the holidays. I think a lot of people are coming out of these McMansions and are really ready for something else. And Azure is really about optimizing your life. Azure is about simplifying away from a lot of the hassles and a lot of the excess and really focusing on what you love about your lifestyle.